you might be losing up to 20% of your capital without even realizing it. Ever looked at your P&L and thought, wait, I sold at break even. So why is my balance still lower than before? It's not your strategy. It's not your risk management. It's something you don't even see on the chart. A hidden cost. One that eats away at your capital, trade after trade after trade. Let's talk about what it really costs to be a trader, and why you might be bleeding value every time you click buy or sell. Most traders think they're only paying 0.05% in fees. That's nothing, right? But multiply that by size, speed, and leverage, and suddenly nothing starts to look like a lot. Let's break it down. If you trade with 20x leverage, a single round trip costs you 2%. Now do that 10 times. That's 20% of your capital gone. Not in market losses, but in fees. And the worst part? You didn't even notice. And how often do you trade? 5 times a day? 10 times a week? How many times have you paid that 2% without realizing it? It's a silent tax on every decision you make, and it adds up, not just in numbers, but in missed potential. The money doesn't disappear. It just moves. The fee you pay goes somewhere. To the exchange, to the promoter, to the platform. And in Web 2.0, that's considered normal. You take the risk. They take the reward. Of course, we should acknowledge they do build the infrastructure and help grow the ecosystem through marketing. But here's the truth. One of the biggest ecosystems in crypto is the traders. Billions in volume. 24/7 liquidity. Volatility. Hype. Price action. None of that exists without the traders. Because the trader isn't just a user, the trader is the engine. Web 3.0 was supposed to change this. Transparent. Community first. Aligned incentives. If the users create the value, then the value should return to the users. Not to platforms, not to VCs, not to middlemen. We didn't come to Web 3 for more middlemen in disguise. We came for a new paradigm, where participation means ownership. This is what real utility looks like. Some communities are finally building it right. No hype, no promises, just real value. Shared back with the people who deserve it. We're building a system where rewards flow back to the traders, not just platforms. With point mining, airdrops, and future token utility, it's all designed to serve the community first. You won't find this on centralized platforms. You won't see it advertised by influencers. But if you're early, you'll feel it before anyone else. If you're ready to stop missing out and actually earn what you deserve, join us on Telegram. This is just the beginning.